Hi, welcome back to our channel and thank you for cooking with us today. We'll attack the Thai fish curry with spinach, sugar snaps and coconut milk. This is our chef's choice for next week. A very fast recipe to prepare, a very versatile recipe to prepare. You can make it mild, you can make it spicier, you can add some of your leftover vegetables if you happen to have them in your fridge. So a really good recipe to know how to cook. And before we start with the chopping, subscribe, give us a thumbs up and let's get going. So let's see what's inside the box. Wow, this is a full box. So we've got some fresh local spinach, or palak as you can find it in the supermarket that it's called. Beautiful. We have some fresh coriander. These are leafy ones. Some lime leaves. So beautiful smell, yeah? If you break them a little bit, snap them, you can smell the lime, gorgeous. We've got a red onion, a lime, we've got the sugar snaps, we've got some ginger, the garlic, red chili, we've got a carrot, and then for the sauce, we've got coconut milk, chopped tomatoes, we've got red curry paste, super spicy. If you have little fussy eaters at home, maybe start by using just half to get that nice curry flavor and then add in when you start cooking and tasting. Bit of fish sauce. We've got the jasmine rice. So in the recipe card it says to wash the jasmine rice, but the jasmine rice we do provide you is pretty clean, but it's really good to give it a nice rinse. And then we've got Nile perch. So Nile perch, just like the cod, is quite a strong flavored fish, has a strong smell, but it is perfect for curry because it's good. It's meaty and it holds well quite well, and just requires 2-3 minutes of cooking. All right, let's start. So we'll start with the rice. The rice will take about 15 minutes to cook maximum. So we'll pour it in your pan or in your pot. We'll rinse it a little bit with cool water. And then usually with rice, the rule of thumb is whatever amount of rice you have the double of water. So that's what we'll do. Removing the water. I'm using drinking water, but you can use whatever water you feel comfortable at home. I'll just add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt, and I'll get it to boil. And once it's boiled, I'll reduce the heat, cover it, and then leave it for about 12-13 minutes. Okay, so we'll start with the chopping. I'm going to start with the sugar snaps. I'll just give them a little bit of a rinse. Okay, up, I can hear my rice boiling. So before I continue, I'll go and cover the rice and put it on a lower heat. Okay. So for the sugar snaps, we want to make nice thin strips. Sugar snaps are great in curries because they add that crunchy texture and they add sweetness. So if you have like a otherwise punchy, a little bit feisty curry, these are going to be the cooling factor in it. That'll be delicious. And now we can go and start cooking the curry. All the work has been done, all the chopping is done, we're ready. All right, we'll heat oil in a pot, onion, carrot first, then add garlic, ginger, curry paste, chopped tomatoes, water, lime leaves, fish sauce. So this calls for water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the kettle on and I'm going to put some hot water in so that the cooking process doesn't get slowed down by cold water. That's done. Okay, so let's add in the carrots and onion. So this is what you want your onions and carrots to look like. You want them to start getting that translucency. So they're just losing on the top of on the surface, they're starting to lose some of the texture. Some of the flavors are starting to come out. So now is a good time to add in the garlic and the ginger. So here we'll add garlic and ginger. Give it a good stir. The curry paste really is a lot of different chilies, garlic, things minced together. So this is spicy. So if you've got little eaters at home, like I said at the beginning, just use only half. Or if you are yourself not somebody who can stomach a lot of heat, you can start by using half, then you taste, and then you add in more later. So now you can really start smelling the curry paste because I've really mixed it in and you can smell how strong it is. And what you want it to be nicely mixed with all the things that give flavors to the curry and release all its flavors when it's sizzling like this in the pan. So a couple of good stirs and then we'll add the liquid. So I'll start by adding in the chopped tomatoes, the coconut milk. We'll give it a little bit of a stir and then we'll just add a little bit of water. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna toss in the lime leaves. So I like to break them or mush them a little bit before tossing them in, because that's really going to release all the flavors. There we go. And then we'll add the fish sauce as well. Very typical ingredient in all Thai cuisine. Thank you for watching this episode. We really hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoy the Thai fish curry. And let us know what you'll be cooking next week. Remember to also select your recipes in the link below and give us a thumbs up. For now, bon appétit! This is a winner.